Hello you guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make my spaghetti. Very simple, easy. I'm always talking about some simple, easy recipe. I need to start saying that, but a recipe that I think that is very simple, and it's just, this is what I put in mine. You don't have to do it with yours, but this is how I do mine. So first of all, you need some hamburger meat. You can use turkey hamburger meat, beef, or chicken. It don't matter as long as it's, hamburger meat. 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, a pack of beef, summer sausage, tomato sauce. I like Prego. Some diced tomatoes and salsa chunky. Yes, I use salsa chunky. And you also need sausage. I have turkey because I cook for people, and a lot of people don't eat pork, but you can use beef, pork, whatever kind of, just a pack of sausages. So we're gonna go ahead and put our meat in here in a big pot, because you need it in a big pot. Oh, you also need some noodles, which I got. Where are they? They're over there. That's a pack of spaghetti noodles. And I already have mine cooked. So when you cook your spaghetti noodles, this is the thing. Make sure when you cook them to where they're not all the way done, but they done. But you have to rinse them off in cold water. Cold water makes it hard again, because when you put this in hot stuff, it cooks it again. So you don't want to overcook your noodles. So let's get to the part of dicing up the onions and peppers. No, I'm gonna do the meat first. Go ahead and put the meat in there so the meat can be going. Go ahead and dice this up. You can use beef, pork, whichever one, but this is beef because, like I said, I cater for people and they don't like, a lot of people don't eat pork, so I just use beef or turkey. Either one is fine with me, whatever preference to you. This on, and we're going to season this in a minute, but just to go ahead and just mix this together. Now you can go ahead and season your meat, in which I showed you how to season meat in a video below. I had that link, same stuff that I've always seasoned with, but the only extra thing you're going to put in here is Italian seasoning. I cook my meat until it's well done. That Italian flavor. I mean smell, y'all. If this has smell test, not smell test, a smell button, I'm telling you would like it. We're gonna go ahead and cook this down till it's all the way done. Okay, we are back and the meat is done. me show you. See, the meat is done. Now I did drain off a little bit of the grease, but I like the grease in mine. So you can go ahead and add your salsa. I like the chunky kind because it has chunks of, you know, peppers and stuff in there. I know this might sound weird. It might look not what you normally have, but it's okay. Diced tomatoes. And your sauce. I'm gonna tell you something about this sauce. I use a real big one and a little one, depends on how much you're using. This is where a lot of people go wrong at with their sauce. They don't let their sauce cook long enough, and that's why you be having pasty tasting sauce. So you turn this down low and you let this simmer and cook, and you got to keep scratching off the bottom because you don't want it to get stuck. Oh, see how they just splashed up on me? So go ahead and cook this for about 20-30 minutes, and then we'll add the noodles when I come back. Look, I got sauce on mine. When we come back, we'll add the noodles. But go ahead and add your sauce. You can never have enough sauce, but you don't want that sauce taste. And another thing you need to do is season this. Even though I seasoned the meat, when you add anything extra, you still need to season it to taste it and see what more seasonings it needs. So when we come back, I'm gonna show you how to add when I add the noodles. Okay, you guys, we are back, and the spaghetti has cooked down. I actually turned it off because I was doing some other things. It's still hot. I just didn't want it to stick to the bottom. As you can see, look at that. So good. So remind you, when you putting this sauce on this meat, make sure you turn it down low and season it so it won't taste pasty. When people make spaghetti, they mix this and then hurry up and mix the noodles. Then it tastes pasty. That tomato sauce has to cook. So this is cooked. We're gonna go ahead and add the noodles. Well, I'm actually, since I'm making a big pan, I'm just gonna pour mine on top of here and still cook it on a stove, which I'm gonna show you. All you gotta do is light both sides of your stove. We're gonna go ahead and pour this in there. Make sure this ain't that hot. Hope I don't burn myself. Okay, this so I'm just mixing this in here. Get all of that out of there. And you're only gonna cook this just a little bit. Let me see if I can push this back. Yeah. Everything is really done. You're just mixing your noodles with the sauce. So go ahead and get us a good mixer. You can turn this down. Mixing this. And this takes some wrist work right here. And see, this is the purpose of cooking the sauce all the way so it won't taste pasty, because you know, after the sauce is cooked, all you're doing is mixing it with the noodles, and the noodles are already done. So you just want, you know, some of this to stick on there. You can also put this in the oven and let it cook, but you don't have to. You can let it cook just for like 10 10 or 15 minutes. But I'm doing it on top of the stove. I got both eyes on one side on. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep stirring this. Let it cook for about 10 more minutes. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's done. Hey you guys, you know the final product of the spaghetti. I'm making someone a dinner. I'm going to top it off with some whitening. It is so good. Let me know how you all make your spaghetti. Like, I love it. It tastes so good. Let me know what you put in your spaghetti, how you cook it. Everybody makes stuff different. So let me know. And thank you for tuning in with this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, showing you how to make my spaghetti. Have a blessed day.